Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Brevo app for affiliate campaigns and tracking, detailed guide step by step clearly. To download the Brevo app for affiliate campaigns and tracking, start by unlocking your mobile device. Open the App Store if you are using an iPhone or the Google Play Store if you are on an Android device. In the search bar, type Brevo and press enter. Look for the official Brevo app in the search results. Ensure that the app is developed by Brevo to avoid downloading any unofficial versions. Once you locate the app, tap on it to open the app page. Review the app details, including its features and user ratings. If you are satisfied, proceed by tapping the Download or Get button. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once the installation is complete, you will see the Brevo app icon on your home screen. Tap the icon to launch the app for the first time. Follow the prompts to sign up or log in if you already have an account. Familiarize yourself with the app's dashboard and features. Explore the tools available for managing affiliate campaigns and tracking. Set up your affiliate links and monitor your campaign performance through the app. Take advantage of any tutorials or help sections within the app for additional support. Now you are ready to use Brevo for your affiliate marketing efforts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.